Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I've got another fun physics project for you. I need you to double click on MT Tools, and then I want you to go to that journals folder I've given you. If you're on the internet, I'll try and link these files so that you can download them as well and use them on your computer. Unfortunately, remember, these don't work on Chromebooks, but if you've got a PC, you can install the Fun Physics Simulator there, and I'll add a link to that as well. The first of my little best of project here I'd like to share with you is Pong. When you double click Pong, this is a two-person game. So you and your partner will have to share a computer. When you hit play, the ball moves, and then one of you uses the arrow keys, the other uses the W and S, and it is just a simple Pong game that you can have fun with and play. Notice it shows who the winner is, and it's just fun, fast, and you can experiment with it and have a blast. After you've played your partner at least twice, you can play somebody else if you want, but when you're done with that, you can check out the other one called Funball 2A. Funball 2A was created by a student of mine. We had a project where we had to make a game, and Robert created this one. It is super slick. When you hit play, you switch to the hand tool. You grab the color ball that you're playing with, and then you simply lift it out of the little cage for your turn, and then you use the springy catapult to try and score a bucket. If you score, then you get 1 point. That was pretty amazing. It's rare that it goes that well. Then you can put the ball back so that your partner can have a turn. Play first 1 to 3 or 5 or whatever you choose. And then you can experiment and mess with the game. If the ball goes in and pops out, like that one was close, that would not count as a goal. You have probably witnessed history here. I don't think I've ever seen somebody score 2 shots on their first 2 attempts. But hey, I'm living the dream. What else would you expect? You can adjust this game however you want. There are all kinds of options. You know, we've learned about changing the materials, adding things that had restitution. You can do anything like that you want. And then also, I will have a few extra ones. Like you can see the old fun maze. You can play with that as well before you head to your modules. But there's lots of things for you to experiment. If you've got a dream of making your own cool game, I will allow you to build something. Or you can just head to your modules and have a great day.